Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Aini Shafinas binti Muhammad Zahari. My matric number is CE 190225. I'm in question 1. It consists three parts, which are part A, part B, and part C. Part A, it to use chain rule to find dw and dt. Part B show that function, and part C find the implicit. It consists to part 1 and part 2. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pavitran and my metric number is CE190205, and I'm going to explain about question 2 and 3 manual calculation. So this is question 2. Question 2a is about double integral. So question 2a is sketch the region bounded by the equation for the first quadrant, and this is the sketch for question 2a1. As for question a2 is evaluate the double integral by using suitable coordinate system. We use polar coordinate to solve this given equation, and have to solve step by step until get the final answer. And the final answer will be 609 over 8 unit. So this is question 2b. 2b is about triple integral. B1. Sketch the cylinder and its projection on suitable plane. So this is sketch for question B1. As for question B2, evaluate the triple integral using one suitable coordinate system, and we use cylindrical coordinate to solve this equation. So we have to solve step by step until get the final answer. The final answer will be 384 per unit. So this is question 3a. We have to find work done by force field. A1, y equals to 3x. So we have to use work done by force field formula to solve this problem, and have to solve by step until get the final answer, which is 252. And as for question A2, have to use the same method to find the answer, which is still 252. As for question 3b, we have to find potential function of f. And for this question, we have to use this formula to solve this problem. As you can see, the value are already substitute, and have to solve step by step until getting the final answer, which is x squared plus y cubed over 3 plus c. Now for question 3c, we have to verify the work done. By using potential function and substituting the x and y, we can verify the answer, which is 252. The calculation is Q3A and Q3C as the same answer value of 252 because f is conservative field and thus path independent. As for question 3D, we have to find the first octant of plane, and this is the method to solve this problem, and have to solve step by step until getting the final answer, which is 70.148. That's all from me. Thank you.
Miss Alcinia. My metric number is DE190021 and I'll be explaining question number 4. Hi, so I'm going to continue question 4. So this is the problem given. So the F equation and then paraboloid and then plan Z and then it's oriented outward. So first we use the Boyle's theorem without using the Boyle's theorem. So we do the partial differentiation, then we use the unit normal vector formula and also the flux parabolics formula. So we put everything into one, then we do the rest. So we will get 5 over 2 pi. So for G2, we do it by using the orientated downward. This was for the G1, so this is G2. Again, we use the pi and del, so both is 0, partial derivative. And then we use the n vector, same like what we do in G1. So we will get negative pi. So when we plus both, we will get 3 over 2 pi. So for the next subtopic, we have to find using Gauss theorem. So Gauss theorem is something like with three interval. Okay, so first we find the inverted times f, so this is 1, and then we put them in and we use z first, then we use xy. So this for the z, then for the xy, first we get dx dy, 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta, then we put it into the formula, this why everything is square, and then we do the rest. So this one will be 0, 1, so it will be 0 to pi, so this theta and x, then we will get 3 over 2 pi, so it's the same up and down. Then the next question is 4b, where we were given the force field, and then all these are the questions. Then it says that the curve C is bounded, okay, and then it's orientated anti-clockwise. So what we asked to do is we have to find root done. So we take out everything from the bracket up here, all this, okay, leaving the I, J, K aside. Then we use the product multiplication product rule. Then we get this. Then from here we do partial derivative of x and y. So we get 0, but we get z equals 1. Then use the n vector. This is the formula. Just same as the upper one. Then we use the double interval. So r will be 0 to 1 and theta will be 0 to 2 pi. So we do, and then we'll get 1.5707. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Syamil Bakri bin Ibrahim. Kad metrik saya ialah CE190-170. Pada hari ini saya akan menerangkan part simulation untuk question 3 dan question 4. Saksikan di video seterusnya. Terima kasih. Hello, Assalamualaikum. So, I'm Syamil Bakri. So, today I would like to continue to simulation part for question 3. So this is 3A, as you can see, 3A1. We already get the answer to x ex plus y square ey. So we need to do the simulation part to get the answer. So this is the simulation part for 3A. You can get the last answer is W equal to 252. So 3A2 also the same like 3A1. You need to put the equation first, so we can see the simulation part here, the symmetry here, and then we get the answer 252 also. So for 3B, as you can see, this is the equation V equal to x ex plus y square ey. So this is the answer for this. For the 3C, x square plus y cube over 3. So we do the simulation and then we get also 252. 3D is as you can see this simulation, and then the answer is 81 square root 3 over 2. So this is the question 4. I will continue the question 4. As you can see, this is equation f equal xyi minus y square over 2j plus zk. This is the simulation part. Okay, so this 3b, this is the simulation part for 3b. Too many. So the last answer is 1.5707963327. That's all from me. That's all from me from the simulation part for question 3 and question 4. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Shakir bin Muhammad Hamzani. My matrix number is CE190085.
Hello, I will continue with the simulation part for question 1 and question 2. This is question 1 by using Maple software. So for the first question, we got this for the final answer, and this one for the B. We got C, A, B, C for the final answer here, and yeah, and then this is for the question C. We just input the equation, all of this, and then we got the answer like this, and it's all proof that by using Maple software we got the right answer. So this is for the question 2. By using Maple software we have to sketch the grams, and yeah, and this one you just input the equation and then it turned out like this. In the software you have to click the to sketch, so it will sketch for you. And then this one is for the question 1, last question, and got the answer. It's all proof. And then this is for the view. We have to sketch the cylinder and its projection into suitable plane. So by insert the equation where we got from the question, we will get the right sketch for the cylinder. So this one is the last question for question 2, and this is the final answer for it. And yeah, by input the equation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.